In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize Miro to enhance your visual workspace for innovation. Whether you're a seasoned user or a beginner, these steps will guide you through a basic yet essential feature, writing and drawing on your Miro boards. To begin, let's head over to the Miro website. Open your preferred web browser and type in miro.com. Once the website loads, you'll see a Sign In option on the top right corner. Click on it to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, don't worry. Setting one up is quick and easy. Just follow the instructions on the screen. Once you successfully log in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard where all your existing boards are displayed. This is your starting point for creating and managing your visual projects. Look through the list of boards, and as soon as you spot the one you want to work with, go ahead and click on it. This action will open up the board on your screen and give you access to a wide array of tools and features Miro offers. Now that you're on your board, direct your attention to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. Locate the pen icon. Clicking on this icon will activate the pen tool, allowing you to write and draw on your board. This tool is indispensable for adding personal touches to your projects, whether by sketching ideas, marking notes, or highlighting key areas. At this stage, we're ready to put the pen to virtual paper. As you select the pen icon, you will notice a menu pop up with several pen types and variations. This menu provides options like different colors and line thicknesses, enabling you to customize your writing or drawing experience according to your preferences. Selecting the right pen style can significantly influence how your ideas come across, so take a moment to explore these options. With everything set, position your cursor on the board and start writing or drawing. Remember, every stroke you make gets automatically saved, so you won't lose any of your work. Plus, Miro's responsive interface ensures a smooth and seamless drawing experience, allowing you to focus entirely on expressing your creative ideas. Utilizing Miro's pen tool effectively can transform your visual collaboration efforts, making communication clearer and more engaging. Be sure to try out different pen styles and experiment with how they can bring your boards to life. With practice, you will find new ways to leverage this tool in your workflow, leading to more dynamic and interactive projects. That concludes our tutorial. I hope you found this guide useful for enhancing your Miro boards with the pen tool. Don't forget to check back for more tips and tricks to improve your Miro experience. Thank you for watching and happy collaborating.